What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about EndGame 2.0 review. Perfect for beginners affiliate marketing to start in day one, 2023. Now, look, let's just keep it real. If you don't like recruiting people, you're not into network marketing, you hate talking to your friends and family, you hate talking to people, about any business opportunity because you feel like you're going to be told no, or you feel like they're going to reject you, then this is for you. I want you to watch this video until the end because, personally for me, I'm an introvert. I'm really not a big speaking person. If you get me around people who I don't know, verily, verily, will you get anything that comes out of my mouth until I get to know that person. What I like about the EndGame 2.0 is the fact that, and I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, is the fact that you can be an introvert, you can be brand new, never made a dime online, and get a system like this that's going to help you finally make some money online. As I said before, I do my YouTube video, but you got to realize I don't like Facebook. I'm an introvert. I like doing stuff that's going to get people to, watch a video and take an action. Now, yes, I'm in the Home Business Academy, but the Home Business Academy is an affiliate program. I'm in Live Good. Live Good is a network marketing program, which I really don't care about network marketing program. But here's the thing about Live Good, Live Good and HBA. I treat them both as affiliate marketing programs. I create videos that people can watch. If they like it, they take an action. If what they see does not resonate with them, then they move on. That's just the way it is. But I want to talk about the EndGame 2.0 in this video. This is the actual website revealed. Our plug and play breakthrough profit system that regenerates our income day after day without fail. It's making us $2,000 plus daily passively. Here's how you can replicate our success within 20 minutes. Okay, so if you click the link in the description below, you're going to come to this page, watch this video. Okay, you're going to see James. This is Mark. You're going to see James. He's going to show you some proof, and then Mark's going to come back again. This is everything you're going to get. So this is the sales page. This is the sales page. Okay, you can get it today for $16.93 one time. This is not recurring, so you don't have to continue to paying for this month after month. Okay, so if we go down through this sales page, now I'm going to keep it real with you. These two guys, have put out other systems. One was the EndGame 1.0. Other one was some Resurgent and some other product that I have personally purchased from them. But they have upgraded this one, and I purchased it, and I'm going to show you that as well. Okay, they have some proof right here, some testimonials, some proof down here, and then you're actually going to get into, the sales letter itself. And let's just keep it real. Every sales letter that you read, it always has a goal in mind to speak to that target audience. If this is for you and you're watching this video, then I'm speaking to my target audience. If you are a beginner affiliate marketer, if you have never made a dime online, if you're really seriously looking to start making money online, then I'm talking to you. I'm talking to my target audience. Okay, so here we go. Just read this page. Click the link in the description. You can read this page. Now, if you should decide that you're going to get this, okay, this is what it's going to do. It's telling you right here, just follow 3 simple steps and rinse and repeat whenever you want. You need a sizzling hot offer. I agree with that. You need biased traffic. I totally agree with that. Then you can relax and enjoy. Now, that may be a little skeptical, to me, simply because you're going to need an offer that resonates with the audience that you are trying to reach. You need to know your target audience. You need to have biased traffic, okay? People think that traffic is hard to get. Traffic is not hard to get. You don't need to create traffic. Traffic is already there. It's on YouTube. It's on TikTok. It's on Instagram. It's on Pinterest. It's on Facebook. The traffic is there. You just need to get in front of it with the right message. Okay. That's where the end game comes in. Is it's going to help you do that. Okay. So just show you the rest of the page. I'm going to go a little slowly. I want you to see the page, but you can go also just skip all over this. Click the link in the description and go see it for yourself. Okay. This is the page. I'm going to just scroll on down, as fast as I can. Done with it. You're going to see testimonials. You're going to see everything that they want you to see. You're going to see the value. I'm just going to keep it real with you. I do not have any bonuses. And I'm going to tell you why. I don't have bonuses simply because they give you everything you need right here. The bonuses that I have are only going to distract you from doing what you need to do. Now, if you want some bonuses, reach out to me. If you purchase this, reach out to me. I'll send you some bonuses that are really going to help you, and that's going to complement the end game. Okay, so I don't have any bonuses for you, but I do have a surprise bonus if you purchase this, and I'm not going to reveal it into this. Right now, there's a one-time payment for this of $17. Okay, so, and there's a countdown timer to, promote scarcity and things like that. That's what they do. It's been done for years. They're going to continue to do it. Okay, so let's go into the back office. And also, since this popped down, you can get it for $12.95 if you choose to do so today. Make sure you tick this box so you can go ahead on and get the 10x profit boosting AI cash prompts that generates $197 per click from our subscribers. Go ahead and get that as well. Okay. So if you're serious about, making money online, do what you got to do. Okay. And don't be afraid to invest. Okay. So this is the members area. In the members area, and yes, I did purchase this product, okay, myself. I'm not going to try to promote anything I have not and do not purchase, because I'm a firm believer in, be a product of the product, okay. So this is the actual back office. You're going to see the welcome, okay. Under the case study, they have a case study here. Okay, this is a case study. You can apply for the mentorship and this, that, and the other. Then they're going to have the list building email marketing 2.0. All of this right here, you're going to get access to. Okay, and this is strictly for, not strictly, but it's for beginners and even immediate. If you're at a point in your online marketing journey where you're not having the success that you want, then it's time you take a chance on something. It's time that you invest in something that's really going to, look, I struggled for years before I made a dime. And then I've started figuring out and applying trainings that I had purchased, and now it works for me. Therefore, I can sit here in front of this video and share with you things that are working for me. I purchased this. I got this. I have it. I'm going to show you that I have it. Okay. So you're going to get list building email marketing 2.0. If you're into social media marketing, I highly recommend do what is best for you. Do what you are comfortable with. If you want to do social media marketing, then this is what you would watch. But if you want to do paid traffic, this is what you would watch. If you want to combine the both, do both. Because if you do both, it's just going to be better for you. The results will come quicker. So you're going to have the social media 2.0. You're going to get access to EndGame 2.0 high ticket sales boost. Okay. You can watch these videos, and I'm just going to keep it real. I have not gone through the training yet. I got access, but I have not gone through yet. I will be doing that soon. Okay. So next, you have the bonuses that you're going to get. Okay. All of the bonuses that were presented on the sales page, they are all right here. If you did not get any of the upgrades, which I'm going to show you as well, you can get the upgrades, okay, if you want them, okay. That's totally up to you. I got this one. I got this one right here. I did not get anything else. I'm just keeping it real with you in this video. And then, of course, you can get in contact with support here. Okay, so this is actually the back office of the EndGame 2.0. Okay, so if you want to get access to it, you can. Now, these are the products. This is the funnel map. If I click on it, this is the funnel map. But let's look at the product, because there are some, oh man, God, there are a whole bunch of upsells, okay? And this is what you could earn if you decide you want to be an affiliate and, you know, promote it. You get automatic, if you purchase this today, okay? If you purchase this, you're automatically approved to promote this product. That is one way you can get started on Warrior Plus. Purchase a product, get automatic approval. Okay, so let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit. Here we go. So these are the commissions you can earn over here. This is what it costs to have upsells, all of this over here. And I'm not going to show you the pages. Pause the video and look at it, and then look at the prices for yourself. Okay, so let me scroll back down here. I'm going to go here to 100%. Now, if you want to, you know, promote this, you can do that. If you see today, just promoting this already, I have made $32.58. This is my Warrior Plus account, okay? In the last 7 days, I made $46.76. In the last 30 days, if I come up here to my dashboard, and I think I'm in my dashboard, let me see. Yeah, this is my dashboard, but if I come over here to my wallet, then you will see, you know, I have $355.78 pending, that I can cash out on, $46.76 pending, and I can withdraw that money at any time. And if you don't want to speak to nobody, you don't want to talk to people, you can get access to join Warrior Plus. It's free to go ahead on and get started. If I come up here, let me see right quick, hold on. If I come up here to dashboard, okay, I just showed you, this is my dashboard. If I come again, and if I look at stats, I can see my stats. I can see what I earned today, okay? I want you to understand something. I can look at transactions. All of this down through here are transactions. This is passive income that's coming into me, even if I don't promote anything, because I already have videos out on YouTube doing the work for me, okay? So if I come back up here again, and let's go to transactions again. If I can go out the last, you know, 30 days, whatever, year to date, it doesn't make a difference. However I want to go, okay, I can make that. But look at what's happened, okay? So if you decide to get the EndGame so you can start generating commissions like this, I mean, even if you make your first $7 online, look, $9, this is the first. With this, you can make $9.95, okay? Well, no, with the 48-hour, the second bump, you make $4.58. And then for the EndGame 2.0 front end, you make $7. What if you make your first $7.96 online? Okay. Now, that's good. That is great. Let me go to my email. There it is. If you just look at today, starting right here, it shows you I'm earning. You're going to build an email list of buyers who want whatever you have to offer, and you can make it work. Now, this is what I do. This is how I do it. Look, I use a system called the Home Business Academy. I have put together this page. Your $2,000 plus daily passive system is ready for activation, okay? When someone clicks this, put in their information and clicks this button, it takes them to this page here. I let the video do all of the selling and telling. I don't have to convince anyone. Let me just drag this down here, okay? So you really get a grasp. When someone enters their email, they come to this page. I let the sale page do the. Now, I also have emails in my autoresponder that continues to promote this offer. If they don't want this one, guess what? I can come back over to Warrior Plus, okay? I can come back up here to affiliate. I can go to offers. And I can come down here and choose any offers. Now, what I'm going to do a video that's going to show you how to get approved for affiliate offers on Warrior Plus without you having to write a sob story about you being a beginner. I can show you how to do that. One of the ways to do it right now is go ahead and click the link in the description. Get the EndGame, because what's going to happen is when you purchase this product, you get automatic approval. Okay. So just so you know, it works. This stuff works. Look at the commissions. And I know they may not seem like a lot, but I can come over here and I can hit my wallet and I can withdraw. I can click on summary. And there it is. This is my withdrawals. This is my earnings. This is my purchases through Warrior Plus. And these are my deposits and credits. I have none. Okay. I'm not a big Warrior Plus person yet, but I'm ready to be. And I want to know if you want to join me, if you're ready to start making some money the simple way. Pick up EndGame 2.0 so you can finally start making money online without recruiting, without chasing family and friends, without hitting up the waiter at the restaurant. But you're going to have to invest. If you're not willing to invest some money in your time, then this will not work for you. Nothing will work for you. With that being said, I want you to click the link in the description. Pick up the EndGame 2.0. I have a special bonus that I'm going to give you, okay, that I know you will enjoy, that I know you're going to like. But also have some other bonuses that I'm just not putting in the video because they only distract you. But if you want them, I'll give them to you. Go ahead, click the link in the description. Pick up the EndGame 2.0, okay? Get started today. If you have any questions, my contact information will be below and below this video. Like the video, love the video, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I do. Also, leave me a comment below and hit me up on Facebook. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.